This is a specialized form format used by government agencies, often in Germany, Austria. You need the Software for Formulary viewer to fill it out. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the viewer. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality ZFO file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. The ZFO file extension is associated with Software602 Form Filler, a program used for creating and filling out electronic forms. ZFO files typically contain form templates or tutorials related to using the Software602 Form Filler application. These files may include instructions, examples, and pre-designed form layouts. ZFO files are designed to be used specifically with Software602 Form Filler. The internal structure of a ZFO file is proprietary to the Software602 Form Filler application and contains data structures for storing form elements, layout information, and tutorial content. Opening ZFO files requires the Software602 Form Filler software. The most trusted opener for the ZFO file is consistently Software602 Form Filler from Software602. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows can load the file visually, but editing advanced elements needs proper software. The initial test, right-click the ZFO file and choose Open With. If Software602 Form Filler is installed, test that first. If it's not present, choose another program. Don't worry if it fails on the first try. If the ZFO file won't budge, stay calm. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, use Software602. Open the file using Software602 Form Filler, the required application for the form. Next, check version. Ensure your Software602 version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to PDF. Use the software's export function to save the form as a PDF. When every program on your system rejects your ZFO file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity, where different apps use the same 3-letter label for different things. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the ZFO label is unclear or shared. FileMagick is your data safety net. It's uniquely capable of instantly viewing the actual contents of the ZFO file, even when the archive is broken. Get this indispensable utility at FileMagick.com. I'm thankful for every viewer I have. Maximum fix, minimum time. If you appreciate the efficiency, a like and subscribe are much appreciated.